My name is Jeneline Esmeralda. I am 36 years old, a high school graduate. I have three children, 14 years old boy, 4 years old middle, and 1 year old girl. As of now, I am a full-time mom to my kids. I have experience as a helper 5 years ago. I am the one who took care of their kids. I can do also some household chores like cleaning, ironing clothes, laundering clothes, marketing, and I can cook. I am willing also to learn and follow some recipes. I can do tutoring, playing, singing, and educational activities to the kids and toddlers. I am an energetic person and active person. Please give me a chance to work with your family as a helper. I promise that I will do my best to do my job and responsibilities. I promise to do my best to serve your family. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir. God bless.